Welcome back to another tutorial for the DeepSeek AI application. In this video, I'm going to give you a short guide onto how you can use prompt engineering in order to get better responses. So let's get started right away. The first rule of prompt engineering is to be as specific as possible. If we ask general question, such as tell me about AI, then you will get a generic response that might be hard for you to understand or use in your appropriate context. Instead of this, a better prompt would be explain artificial intelligence in simple terms with clear, relevant examples. Now, if we become more specific with our question, the answer that we get back will also be a lot better. The next rule is to be as clear and concise as possible while establishing proper context and a defined structure. So instead of just asking what the best emotional well-being practices are, a way to be clear, concise, and structured would be write a 500-word blog post on top 5 practices to foster emotional well-being for remote workers. Here we have established context as well as a structure, and we have also been as clear as possible. You can also utilize the think mode, which will provide a more structured response through deep thinking, and immediately with a better prompt, we will get better responses. The final thing that we can do is to assign a role to the AI chatbot. So instead of asking what the top 5 marketing practices are in advertisement, we are going to assign a role to the AI engine. Here I am saying that you are a social media marketing manager for a liquor company. What strategies would you implement to stand out from your competitors to boost up sales? Here we have clearly established a role for the AI engine. With the think option enabled, we can send this command, and the AI engine will assume the role that it has been provided with, and then provide the response from a professional standpoint. By using these tactics, you can improve the quality of your prompts and get much better responses for your research right away. So there you have it. That is how you can use prompt engineering to improve the results from DeepSeek AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.